Punjab is a motorcyclist delight. It's gifted with all the three elements the riders tour for. Great food, a spirited culture, a beautiful countryside. We have shown you all. Well, this one's a bit different. See, food and culture of Punjab has travelled across the globe. But for the landscape, one has to travel to Punjab. And that's what Java nomads did on Punjab Da Tor. The real beauty of Punjab, they say, is in its villages and countryside. Pins, as they are called. However, we discovered a lot more. Breathtaking mustard fields, historical sites, while experiencing the good old Punjab on good old Javas. To ride through the state rekindled the charm of a bygone era. Java and its romance with Punjab. There were moments when the sun shone bright and kept us company, forcing us to stop for refreshingly fresh plucked squeezed orange juice. And then there were hours and hours of riding through bucket loads of cold wind and rains, where only hot tea on the roadside dhabas kept us going.
Jawa bike la ke ढाबे ते मैं साग नमकी दी रोटी खावा मैं क्या छावा पंजाब दियां ठंडियां छावा कावा सुन कावा मैं जावा नाल परावा सुन कावा मैं जावा नाल परावा.
While the Java nomads experienced 4 seasons in 6 days, motorcycles also had their fun, negotiating all kinds of terrain. The hidden gems of Punjab are like no other. En route from Amritsar to Batinda, we broke our journey at the Harike wetland, the largest wetland in North India. Home to over 200 species of birds, it's a treasure tucked away in the Tan Taran district. It was one of the most enjoyable halts of our trip, with its serenity, the vast expanse of quiet, where away from traffic, we also decided to have some fun with our bikes. Unforgettable trails, scenic views, immeasurable experiences, and the companionship of fellow Java nomads on Java Perak, Javas and Java 42s. It was towards the end of our trip that we found the perfect getaway to reminisce about all this. Nangal has to be the most scenic locales of Punjab, and I wonder how this has gone relatively undiscovered from the avid riders of outside the state. We are glad that Punjab Da Tor was able to showcase such picturesque parts of Punjab, and I'm confident that these trails will grow in popularity with the community. The Java nomads rode from Chandigarh, Jalandhar, Amritsar, Ludhiana and many other cities together on Punjab Da Tor. This trip heralded back the return of an icon in Punjab. Sometimes they say it just takes one ride to become a rider. Oh well, this definitely qualifies as one of them. And I can't wait to do it again.